Chen here, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this review right now, you're probably looking for some information on Legendary Marketer. Okay, so Legendary Marketer is basically a training platform that's been created by an entrepreneur called David Sharp. Okay, I've actually been in programs where David Sharp is created, like Empower Network, for example. So, first of all, if you're trying to find out if this is legitimate, if this is real, whether it's a good quality product, I can definitely say that it is. Okay, it's a great program. David Sharp is of the highest integrity. He creates programs that are really, really good. Even before he created Empower Network, all of his programs, his copywriting stuff was really amazing. Okay, so if you're wondering if this is a good program, it is a good program. Okay, so it's basically a top tier, high sales sort of program. So at each level, as you upgrade, you learn different skill sets to grow your business. All right. The only problem I would say is that, like a lot of top tier programs, it can be pretty expensive for the normal people. All right. So you enter at I think $30 per month, and then it goes up very quickly to $2,000, then to $5,000, then to $8,000, then to $12,000, and then I think there's a $30,000 mastermind product. Okay, where now, I'm sure all the programs are really, really good, but the problem is that most people out there don't have the money to afford to spend $8,000 or $10,000 on learning internet marketing skills. Okay, so even though the training and the products are good and they're real, realistically, there aren't that many people that can afford that. And so, I've been online for 9 years now, okay? The first 8 years that I've been marketing online, I really struggled. And in fact, I've marketed 2 or 3 top tier programs very similar to Legendary Marketer, okay? And they all work the same way. So you get in at a low level, but the low level products, they don't really add that much value, honestly. It's more just catch up calls, and they teach you the basic stuff, but they don't really teach you the skills that you need in order to really take your marketing to the next level. In order for you to do that, you generally need to invest quite a bit. You need to invest $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 to learn those skills. Okay. Now here's the thing about marketing that I realized, in the first 8 years of failing in my business, is that those skills are highly, highly important. Okay. So there are things like influence, positioning, posturing, marketing, traffic, conversions, presentation. This is all the invisible stuff that happens in the background that people don't realize that they have to get good at in order to generate sales online. Okay, so whereas Legendary Marketer, I'm sure, is a great program, it's not for everybody because it can be a little bit pricey. Okay, but you can also make a lot of money if you become a really good marketer. So this is what happened to me. Okay, first 8 years, struggled because I didn't understand, invested in a lot of programs like this. The last year and a half, 2 years, I've generated hundreds of sales in my business. I've made tens of thousands of dollars. Now, how was I able to do that? Well, I was able to learn the skills that I just spoke about that are really, really key in order for you to promote anything online. Okay, and that's the thing that people don't understand about building businesses online. It's not so much about the vehicle, okay? Because the vehicle is just a vehicle, it's just a product, okay? You need to have the skills, the knowledge, the marketing training, the conversions, the presentation skills to be able to push that vehicle forward or pull it forward, right? So the vehicle is just a vehicle. It's empty if you don't have the skills to push it forward, right? So I learned all these skills from a very particular program, okay? It's a lot more affordable, and it actually goes really, really deep into everything that I just spoke about. So conversions, traffic, presentation, everything that's happening invisibly, okay? Posturing, influence, conversions, everything, sales funnels, tactics, strategy, how to actually build your business online. The coolest thing though is that you can market anything. Okay, so you can use it to market top tier programs. You can use it to market network marketing, MLM, e-commerce. If you're an author and you want to, market your own book, you can do any of those things. Okay, so completely up to you. You can check it out if you want. There's a link right below this video. It's going to lead you directly to it. Okay, so again, just to wrap this up, Legendary Marketer, obviously a great program. But I think that there are ways out there that can teach you how to become a really powerful marketer in a much more affordable way, okay? But I want to say this, okay? If you want to get into business online, then you have to be willing to pay the price. And when I say pay the price, you have to invest in a few things. You have to actually spend money to invest in the program, invest in yourself, your knowledge, and your mindset. That's number one. The second thing is you've got to invest time Okay, you can't just think that all of these programs are push button software and all of a sudden money is going to rain from the sky. It doesn't work that way. Okay, it doesn't work that way. 9 years of being online, I've realized that it doesn't work that way. Okay, it's not about sitting on the beach drinking coconuts. Yes, you can do that eventually if you put in the time and the effort, but you got to pay the price. Okay, invest. Yeah, invest money, invest time, and you got to take massive action no matter what it is and what you do. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, if you want to check out the program that I've used to completely change 8 years of failure into 1.5 years of massive success online, then you can click on the link below to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this review today. My name is Arron Chen. Speak to you soon.